heart. The sun it rises slowly as you walk away from all the fears and all the faults you left behind. The harvest left no food for you to eat. You can't have all you meet till you see. But I see the same, I know the shame in your defeat. But I hold on hope, and I won't let you choke on a noose around your neck. And I find strength in pain, and I will change my ways, know my name as it's called again. You take what is yours and I'll take mine. Now let me have the truth, which will refresh my broken mind. So turn me to a poster, yours on the street, who's more fresh than my tears. All my hopes, my hopes, and despite my grace, walking on your hands and see the world hang upside down. Understand dependence and know the maker's hand. So make your sirens call and sing